Yeah, Velcro.
Okay, guys. Okay, lads. So, circle of radius root 10 contains the point minus 5, 0, and the centre lies on the line x plus 2y equals 0. Find the equation of the two circles that satisfy these conditions. Okay, guys. So, what I know straight away is that I have to use this equation here, and these aren't too hard, guys. I make one equation using x equals minus 5, y equals 0. This because this circle here contains the point minus 5, 0. Okay? So therefore this point satisfies this equation. So what we're going to get is minus 5 squared plus 0 squared plus 2g times minus 5 plus 2f times 0 plus c equals 0. We're going to get minus 10g plus c equals 25. Equation 1 is created. Okay? Now, equation 2 comes from x plus 2y equals 0. Sorry? Minus 25 again, yeah, sorry. That's plus 25, over this side comes minus 25. Now, this here is a line that goes through the centre of the circle. If it goes through the centre of the circle, the point minus g minus f must satisfy this equation. Therefore, replace x with minus g, replace y with minus f, bring the g over one side, and you're going to get g equals minus 2f. That's equation B. That's equation A. So we have two equations at the moment. Now, the third equation comes from the radius length. The radius length, and we have to use the variables g, f, and c. The formula for the radius is g squared plus f squared minus c. Then you're going to get g squared plus f squared minus c will equal root 10. Square both sides, and what you get is equals 10. Systematically eliminate one letter at a time. I'm going to start off with eliminating c. c equals 25 minus 25 plus 10g. Alright? Then I'm going to use g equals 2f. So g squared will be
Minus 4f.
4f squared. Okay? And this here will be c equals minus 25 plus 10 times minus 2f. c equals minus 20f minus 25. I can now replace these parts. I can replace c and I can replace g squared in the quadratic equation. And what I'm going to get is 4f squared plus f squared. You're right about that. Take away the c, minus 20f minus 25. Bring over the 10 minus 10. 5f squared minus 20f minus 35 equals 0. Divide by f. F squared minus 4f minus 7.
No, you went wrong.
I must have.
I got 5x squared plus 20.
Okay guys, so this is a minus b formula, which means you've obviously made a mistake somewhere. You're just going to quickly look back, and what I failed to realise, this is a minus c. A minus c will change the sign of the 20f and the 25 to plus 20f plus 25. So going again, you have your 5f squared plus your 20f, and then you have plus 15 at the back, and that makes it solvable now, because you're going to have plus 4f plus 3. Makes the whole thing a lot easier. So we're going to have f plus 1, f plus 3 equals 0, f equals minus 1, f equals minus 3. F equals minus 1, f equals minus 3. So when you write this up top, what you can do next is, guys, you can pretty much get rid of everything you've already worked on, bar your two equations. So you can get rid of everything down here. What I suggest you do is just make a little table. Your table will prevent you from getting your figures mixed up. So what we're going to have next is just make a quick table here. 2, and then that's G, that's F, and that's C. And we already know that F has 2 answers. F has an answer of -1 and -3. We know that G is -2 times F. That makes that +2 and +6. We then know that C, which is on its own here, C equals 10G plus 25. Multiply it by G and add on 25. So we're going to get 45 for this C. And the other one's going to be 60 plus 25. No?
Yeah, it's 35.
It should be 35.
Oh, minus 25. So that will be 20 minus 25, which is -5. And the other one is 60 minus 25, which is 35. And therefore the 2 equations of your circle you put into this formula up here. You can go, yeah, if you want. You put this into the formula and you get 2 different formulas out. You get x squared plus y squared plus 2gx, which is plus 4x, minus 2y minus 5 equals 0. The second equation would be an x squared plus y squared. What's that again? 4 g value plus 12x minus 6y plus 35 equals 0. Anybody get that out? Number 3? Any 2 of you? Hey guys, you need to be a bit better than that, right? They're not impossible. It's a quadratic equation, 2 linears. Nothing you can't do. We'll try another one. Now, this one here, guys. So what we have is the circle of radius length 10 contains the point 1, 2 and minus 1, 4. Find the equation of the circle that satisfies these conditions. We're going to get 2 linear equations. How do I know I'm dealing with 2 linear equations, lads?
2 points.
Sorry?
2 points.
2 points. So, I'm going to put in the 2 points, x, y, x and y. We're going to get 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 2g times 1 plus 2f times 2 plus c equals 0. We're going to get 2g plus 4f plus c equals -5. You should get that much at least. The next one, -1, 4. Minus 1 squared plus 4 squared plus 2g times -1 plus 2f times 4 plus c equals 0. Minus 2g plus 8f equals -17. Sorry, -17. Second equation now. Third equation is got from the radius. Radius squared, or radius equals g squared plus f squared minus c, and that in turn equals root 10. Square both sides. G squared plus f squared minus c equals 10. I forgot the c there, didn't I? C there as well. I'm going to combine equations A and B. And when I combine A and B, I'm going to make an equation C that has no C's. Okay? So, oh wait, equation D, I mean, that's equation C. Equation D. So, in equation D, what we're going to have is, I'm going to put in minus A underneath this. So, minus A being minus 2G minus 4F minus C equals 5. 4F, minus 4G plus 4F, is that right? Equals minus 12 divided by 4 minus G plus F equals minus 3. Now, alrighty. So, still doesn't get us the
That's the.
Yeah, I got it. Okay, so what we're going to do is this equation D is formed from A and B. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to form A equation with A and C, and I'm going to form this equation to get rid of the C values again. Okay, so I don't need, well at the moment I don't need anything to do it down here anymore. Okay, I have everything I need. So what we're going to do next is we're going to I need to tell you why I'm doing this, okay, more. So when I look at these two equations here, my problem is 3 letters, 2 equations. Can't be done. 3 variables, 2 equations can't be done. I need another equation to sort this out for me. So I'm going to combine equation C and equation A together. So I'm just going to stack them underneath each other. G squared plus F squared minus C equals 10. I'm going to add them directly downwards. So I'm going to get G squared plus F squared plus 2G plus 4F equals 5. Everybody happy with that?
Yeah.
See what I did?
Yeah.
I added everything down. It's just you can't add G squared and 2G. They're not compatible. So I just put them beside each other. Now I have this equation here, and what I can do is this equation here and this equation here only have G's and F's in them. So to get G in terms of F using the simpler equation, or F in terms of G even, so F equals G minus 3. I'm going to plug that into the big one down here. So I'm going to get G squared plus G minus 3 squared plus 2G plus 4 times G minus 3. Going to bring that 5 over here side. Going to multiply this out. That's going to be G squared minus 6G plus 9. Just keeping track of that. So 2G squared minus 6G plus 2G.
Minus 4G.
Was it?
Minus 4G.
Minus 4G. Minus 4G plus 4G. Nothing. So that's gone. 9 minus 3.
That'd be minus 12. It's 4.
Oh, it is minus 12. 9 minus 12.
Plus 3.
Minus 3. Minus 3 minus 5. Minus 8. No problem here either. Divide by 2. Both sides by 2.
2G squared.
G squared minus 4 equals 0. Difference of 2 squared. G minus 2. G plus 2 equals 0. G, and I'm going to just straight away again, just make my little table down the bottom. This just helps me out a lot. G, F and C. G is 2 and minus 2. Now I'm going to start rubbing out stuff I don't need. What do I not need?
Basically, you just need the 3 equations that are.
Yeah, I just need the 2 on the top right actually. So what's going to happen next is we're going to get F equals G minus 3. Yeah, which is here. And we're just going to take 3 away from the G values. So we're going to get minus 1 and minus 5. And then the C value, we can use, we'll just use C here. C equals, bring the C to the right and the 10 to the left. C equals G squared plus F squared minus 10. So square the G value, we get 4. Square the F value, we get 1 minus 10. Minus 5. Go again. Square the G value. 4. Square the F value. 25. Take away the 10. What was it? 19. And there's your 3 sets of values there. You put these 3 sets of values into your equation of the circle. So the equation of the circle is shown up here. So what you're going to do is x squared plus y squared minus plus 2gx plus 2fy minus c. Oh wait a second, I'm getting confused, aren't I? Yeah, I'm confusing myself. Go again. I'm using these numbers here. the 2, the minus 1 and the 5. So it's plus 4x minus 2y minus 5 equals 0. The second one is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx, which is going to be minus 4x plus 2fy, which is minus 10y, and plus 19 at the end equals 0. Did anybody get that one out?
I didn't know you were